Good morning, this is Anthony the Dad Outnumbered, and today I wanted to try out my Umagod 250. This is the 6S version with the GoPro Hero 10 powered off the balance lead. Normally I fly with a lighter camera setup like the Insta360 Go 2 or the DJI Action 2, but I wanted to give this a try because I really like the quality of the GoPro Hero 10, and let's see how it came out. You don't have to say I didn't notice any flight difference or any performance difference, maybe because it's on the 6S version, but I know the video is going to look great. I've got an Indy 32 on here because I lost my Indy 16. I crashed in the mountains with the Indy 16 filter on my Chimera 7. Yeah, I'm still hating life on that. But ultimately, I think that this is a good setup. I still think probably for longer battery life, I'll go with a lighter camera setup like the Insta360 Go 2 or maybe the DJI Action 2, depending. Maybe even I'll try this with a Hero 8 because it's significantly lighter than the GoPro Hero 10. But let me know what you think. Hit me up in the comments below. I appreciate you watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Fly safe.